Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Paycom Employee account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how without skipping it, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'd never miss another update from us. Now, in order to log into Paycom Employee account, go to your web browser and click it open. As soon as you do that, type in the URL box www.paycomonline.com and press the enter on your keyboard. After you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Paycom, which looks like this. In order to log in, you'll find the login button at the upper right corner of the screen. Simply point to it and an expanded menu will appear where you can log into your client account, employee account, and your accountant account. For employee login, choose the employee option. Now, enter your username on the first field. After that, on the next field, type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password while logging in. In case you want to double check your password, you can click on this I button at the corner and reveal the password in order to double check your password before signing in. Now, finally enter the last 4 digits of your SSN. After you do that, click on the login button. But in case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on these links at the bottom. For your username, click on the username and follow the instructions to look for your account. If you forgot your password, then click on the password link and follow the instructions. You'll be able to reset to a new password and log into your account smooth whenever you're logging in. You'll be able to reset your password if you follow the instructions. After that, click on the login button and you will be logged into Paycom Employee account just like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes soon. Thank you for watching.